Now that is how you make it rain with $100 bills. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make $100 in a day with Twitter with these 3 tricks. And I'm gonna be showing you step by step how you can make that money. I'm gonna be showing you these 3 methods to making Twitter money fast and easy. You can do this worldwide. Okay, no matter what country you're in, you can make this happen. This is a free method. This doesn't require you to buy any software. It doesn't require you to have a website. It doesn't require you to have any technical skills. It doesn't require you to have any experience. You can do this even if you don't own a laptop or a computer, no matter what country you're in, even if you're not 18 years old. So this can make money for you. Just apply these steps and we will be getting the money, and we'll be going over it all on my computer. Join the money club. Let's get it. Cool. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make $100 exactly per day on Twitter. And the 3 tips or the 3 tricks I'm going to be showing you are making money through 3 ways on Twitter. The first is called direct messages, okay? Direct messages. The second is post updates, how to make money from your post updates. And the third is comments, okay? Making money with comments. But I have a special bonus for you where I'm gonna show you towards the end how you can make money even if people just click on your links. They don't even buy anything. As long as they click on your links, you will make that money. So let's get on my computer. Let's check this out. This is pretty exciting. Now, the way to start this method is we need to get a link from an affiliate network. Now, the reason we're using affiliate network and affiliate marketing is because we don't want to offer any product support. I'm guessing you don't have the time to buy a product and ship it to somebody. So you don't want to do drop shipping because that's going to require you to spend money. If you have to do support, or if you have to get on the phone with people to give them coaching or consulting, that's going to again cost you time and money, and you may not know what to coach or consult with people about. There's a million different things that you could do, but they require your time and money. You want to do something that doesn't require any support, that doesn't require you to have like any sort of, you don't have to worry about like laws or stuff. You don't want to have to worry about GDPR, like collecting email addresses. You don't want to worry about any of that stuff. You just want to post a link and get money for posting that link in the right areas. Everything free and clear, and you're going to get paid a couple different ways. The first method I'm going to show you, you can get paid by wire transfer. So you need a bank account, okay? You need a bank account because this company will send the check or the money to via wire transfer. The second way they can pay you is via a check, and you need an address for them to send the check to. Now, the site we're going to be talking about initially is clickbank.com. Clickbank.com, and there should be links in the description where you can actually sign up for this. And what you're going to do is you're going to create an account right here. Okay, see that create account button? You're going to click that and you're going to create an account. Now, you won't be able to create an account, this is a side note, if you are from Nigeria, Bangladesh, or Pakistan. Sorry, I have nothing against you guys. This isn't my company, but I don't know, I guess ClickBank has something against Nigerians and Bangladeshis. I will show you another method that you can, another affiliate network you can sign up for in just a minute where you can get your link, okay? So don't worry. For everyone else in the world who's not Nigerian or whatnot, you can sign up for this company. And once you've signed up and created your account with them, okay, you will go to this page, which is the affiliate marketplace. Okay, let's click there right now. Now on the affiliate marketplace, you'll come to a page that looks like this, and we will zoom in. Well, I'm just going to zoom in, and we will go here and we will click find products. Now the product I recommend is my own training course. So you'll want to type in my name right here that says Crestani. Okay, and you can click search that way, and you'll see, if you look, my product is one of the top selling products in the entire marketplace. It's actually one of, I think it's like top 11th biggest product out of 5,000. But either way, the way this works is you can see here, this is how much you will get paid. This is how much I will pay you for promoting my product. Okay, so if somebody clicks on your link and buys, you get almost $500. Okay, now that's a lot of money. So that's a lot more than $100 a day. Now, if you want to make less money, you can simply find other products on the marketplace that'll pay you, $33 a day, $33 a sale, the Cinderella solution. There are a lot of different products. In fact, there are over 4,219 products on ClickBank. If you look here, you'll see my product is on, it's the second overall product in the entire marketplace. So, and it pays out a lot of money. So what you'll do is you'll click promote and it'll pop up a page like this. And you can ignore all of this gobbledygook. This is for more advanced kind of marketers. What you'll do is you'll click generate hop links. Now, if you're logged into ClickBank, your account nickname should show up in the account nickname area. See that? If you're not logged into ClickBank, this won't show up, but you can enter it manually. Now, what we'll do next is we'll click generate hop links and we will simply copy our link, or you can click this button to copy your link and it's copied. Okay, so I just brought up a notepad and I just wrote down ClickBank link and I copied it here. But if you look at that, it looks kind of ugly. It's big, long, and ugly, and I don't know. I don't think people want to click on it as much than if they, had a prettier looking link. So let's make this link pretty. Ooh, we're gonna make the link so pretty. If you're from like Nigeria or Bangladesh or African countries, ClickBank doesn't accept either, like Uganda or Cameroon. You want to go to Digistore, okay? This is the place you'll want to go right here, Digistore 24, with this weird guy with his weird man bun, and you go to digistore24.com and then you click register now, and you can sign up for this site anywhere in the world, okay? So this is easy. They don't have many products on their marketplace, but they have a lot of similar products to what you'll be advertising with me, such as the super affiliate system, which is business opportunity type product. Okay, so enough about Digistore. Let's go on. By the way, if you want to sign up for Digistore, link is in the description. So the next step is we're going to go to bit.ly, okay, bit.ly.com, and we're going to enter in our link down here where it says shorten, and I'm going to take my ClickBank link, I'm going to copy it into here, and I'm going to click shorten. Copy this link, and I'm going to bit.ly link. I'm going to paste it right there, just for quick reference. I like using a notepad. I'm kind of old school, so I do that. Next step. Okay, so the first way I'm going to show you how to make money is through direct messages. So over here on my computer, you can only direct message people who actually follow you. So, one side method is you can follow a lot of people, and then you can unfollow them and hope they follow you back. Whatever you need to do to get followers, but we're going to direct message a bunch of people. So if you don't have followers though, I'm going to show you how to make money using method number 3. But first, let's start with followers. So with followers, it's easy. We're going to look at our profile, going to go here, and you see you have followers, okay? Now, if you haven't been using social media, you should be, because it's the best way. Building up your social media presence is the best way to get free traffic. I'm going to click on my followers, and then I'm just going to select somebody and click this dip button right here, okay, to send them a message. Now, I get these messages all day long that ask me to sign up for different business opportunity programs via text message, and this is the same sort of message that you want to use for your message that you're going to send out via Twitter. Now, this gets a little bit nutty, but I'm not going to go too deep in the psychology here, but basically when you're marketing, you want to use things that are already proven by other marketers. Again, don't change up what I'm showing you here. You try to be too creative, you try to be inventive, it's not going to work. Do exactly what I say, because this will work, okay? Once again, follow my steps. I know what I'm doing. And once you try to start being too creative, you're probably not going to make money. Marketing is like a key. You need to get every single piston right. and when you turn it, the door will open. You get one thing wrong, and the key won't open the door, and it won't unlock your income. Okay, so here are the Twitter proven message examples right here. So I'm just gonna use this one, alert, there's an opening in your area. It's just kind of a clickbaity title, and I'm gonna go over to Twitter, and I'm just gonna copy this in to the thing. Now you notice I already put my bit.ly link in right here, and I'm just going to send it. Boom, okay? So sent it, and what I'll do is I will send it to a bunch of different of my people following me. And I just type this in. Once again, you click the message button, you go here, you say alert, boom. I'm gonna go right here, I'm gonna click message, I'm gonna copy and paste, alert, boom. And I'm gonna go right here, I'm just gonna copy paste, click alert, boom. And once again, I'm just gonna go here, click message, alert, boom. Now that's method one. Now method two is putting up a post update. So when you're in Twitter, you can simply just put a post update right in your post, and then you just click tweet. Really easy, click tweet, boom. Doesn't get much easier than that. So that's a post update. That's method number two. Okay, now before I go to method number three, there's one quick note to learn about these direct messages is you can only send 1,000 messages per day. So you can only send 1,000 messages per day. Keep that in mind. So you can't just do a message every second for the 24 hours, but 1,000 messages a day gives you a lot of chances. The third method is simply doing the same thing I just showed you on people's comments, commenting on other people's posts. It's the same exact thing, people. You just copy and paste it into the comments field in somebody else's post, Donald Trump or whoever you're following on Twitter. Now, this is the exciting part because the bonus is going to show you how you can get paid just if people click on your link. I'll show you how. Okay, so to get money just if people click on your link, we're going to want to go to one additional website. Link should be in the description. Now, before I go into this, folks, if you are excited about making money, if you can do this, if you know you can do this, if this is so easy, you're like mind blown, and you see the money, type in Twitter money in the comments below. If you're dedicated to putting this into action and actually making some money using this method, because the only way you're going to make money doing this method is if you actually take action. I've showed you how to do it. It's worldwide. Doesn't matter what your age is. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to have a website. You don't need to invest any money to do this. You don't even need to have much time. You saw how quickly I fired off those messages. You can do this too, but you just need to take action. If you don't take action, you're never going to get anywhere, and you're just going to be left in the same place that every other entrepreneur is, which is broke and, you know, just following other entrepreneurs, but never actually taking those actions themselves. And I gave you something that is step-by-step, simple, free, international to do. So please take this seriously. I'm trying to teach you. I'm trying to help you. And again, in this proposition, we both make money. So I'm trying to help you and you help me. So we both help each other and we both make money. Fair, right? And hit that subscribe button if you want more videos like this. Again, I'm going to go into the bonus in a second, but hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and if you are ready to have me as your mentor and you want to get access to some of my course archives and get over 40 hours of training from me and get access to talk to me 2 times a month, every other week, you can get on a live stream with me, join the Money Club. The Money Club, there's a link right next to the subscribe button where you can join my Money Club and start learning deeper with me and even be able to talk to me on a live stream. Okay, let's get into this bonus method. Now this site is called AdFly, okay? AdFly right here. You see adf.ly, link in the description. And the way this works is you register an account and you start shrinking, okay? Then you get paid for every person who visits your links. Every person who visits your links, and you can place your links on Facebook, Twitter, and really anywhere you can place links on the internet. And if you look at this company, the way they will pay, so you earn about a penny per click or something like that. You get paid via PayPal or Payoneer, okay? Now, once again, with ClickBank, the way it works is if somebody clicks your link and they end up buying the program, you make $470. But we're going to take it a step further so that if people even click your link, you get money. So I'll show you what happens. And as you see, millions of people are clicking links daily. So here's the way it works is we're going to take our ClickBank link, we're going to copy it, and then we're going to go to AdFly, we're going to paste it in, and then we're going to click shrink. Okay, so I clicked this button and it gave me this new link right here. Okay, so now here's my link I shrinked, and as you see, my interface looks a little different because I'm logged into AdFly, but we're going to take that link, I'm going to go back to my notepad, I'm just going to type in AdFly link, and what will happen is we can use this link in our posts instead of the other link. So we can actually change out this link and post it there. So we can just use these as our posts now. And what will happen when somebody clicks on these links is, let me show you. So before they go to our ClickBank site, what will happen is people are shown an ad, okay? They have to wait 5 seconds. They have to view an ad for 5 seconds, and then they'll be able to move on to the link they wanted. Now this 5 seconds gives you a penny. So no matter what, they just click your link and you get a penny. And then when they click skip ad, they get taken to your ClickBank link. And if they go through the training and they decide they want to end up becoming a student of mine or going for my products, then you get paid. We split 50-50 and you get about $500 and I get about $500. So in essence, we're working together and we both make money. What I've given you is a method that works very easily. And you can do this and make a lot of money. You're gonna make money when people click on your link, watch the ad for 5 seconds, and then you're gonna make money again if people end up deciding to buy the product. Pretty simple. So if you got excited, if your mind just got blown by how many ways there are to make money, type in mind blown in the comments. I'm really happy to see this community is growing huge and people are learning how to cut the ties, take back control, and make money. And one of the biggest things, I just want to leave you with this, is that these smartphones, these social media companies, they're built to control us. These screens, for most people, it's more interesting to look at a screen than my face. And the reality is that Twitter and Instagram and LinkedIn and Facebook, YouTube, all these companies are built to control our minds, suck us into their algorithms, and make money off of us. But what you're doing right here, if you put this into action, is you are taking back control of your time on social media. Instead of letting them use you, instead of letting them use your attention to put dollars into their pockets, you are using social media to put money into your pocket, okay? So make use of it. Take action. If you're ready, subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications icon to be updated, and join the Money Club if you'd like to have me as your teacher to help you get that freedom and take back control of your life. We're creating a movement here. Work for yourself. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. And again, Twitter money in the comments, baby. Let's get it.